Hi, I wanted to help people understand how to make the labels with the QR code. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Quileute to English Dictionary. That can be found at quileutelanguage.com. And when you go there, you will see that things are organized by alphabet, the English alphabet. And the other thing that you'll want to do for prep is to go to the Quileute Nation website and click on culture, go to language, and when you get to language you'll see that you can download and install the Quileute font. So if you click on that, it should download. I already have it downloaded, but you can click install, and then for me, it was really easy. When I went to Word, it was already there. All I had to do was search. So that's another thing you're going to need is to have Word open. And the way it shows up for me in the font section is Quill Times. And so that if you need to search, you just put a Q in, and Quill Times should be an option there once you've installed the font. Okay, so the other thing you'll want to have open for this process is a QR code generator. I just put in QR code generator in Google and I found the first one. And this one was really easy to use. So the first thing you do is you go to the dictionary and you pick a word that you want to create a label for. So I thought we might do amazing. So what I'm going to do first is pick the Quileute word for amazing. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to take it to Word. And I'm going to go down a little bit here. Now, as you can see, it switched to Times New Roman, so I want to put Quill Times there. And then I should be able to paste. And you have to merge the formatting so that it comes in correctly. Then I go back to the English Quileute Dictionary, and then I want to right click on the little green speaker button, and I'm going to copy the link address. Then I go to the QR code generator and I paste that in there. It creates a QR code for me. I've been picking the Scan Me sort of border there. And here you have a couple options. You can either choose to download the JPEG and then insert the image into your Word doc. So that's one way you can do it. I have found it's a little faster for me to just use my Snip and Sketch tool. If you don't have that though, the download option works just fine. And then I copy this, select that part, copy it, bring it back to my Word doc, and paste. Then I can reduce the size of that so it's not so big. And then on the other side of that, now I want to switch to Times New Roman. And I'm going to say amazing. Now, as you can see, this kind of went onto 2 lines. So probably what I want to do is reduce the size of the font. There we go. And then if I want to put something around that, I'm going to insert a shape. I like using the kind of the rounded edge. We can go like that. And shape fill, I don't want any fill. I would like the shape outline to be black, and I would like that to have a weight of 4.5 points. So that is the basic idea of how to create a label with the QR code so that people can hear, and in case you wanted to hear how you would say amazing. That is, then you just click on that button and we can hear it. Should be able to. Oh, I guess my audio isn't working because I'm recording right now. All right, so that is how you make the labels.